Here's a memory card and card reader related problem. If a card is not read by the card reader, nothing appears on your screen. Then try to do the following. So here's the card reader, nothing appears on the screen. Okay, and the memory card can be inserted on horizontal, but it can be inserted slightly rotated and that way pushed in, or to the left and then pushed in, just a tiny amount. It's not the same. So let's try it. I will push it in the center. It does read it and File Explorer appears. Interesting. I remove it and it disappears. Now let's push in the left side. So the card is slightly rotated to the left. I push in the left side and voila, nothing. Drive F should be that one and it's not here. So the card is not inserted on horizontal and thus the computer is not reading it. The card reader isn't that perfect. The other one does the same thing. Now let's remove it and insert it slightly to the right. I will also push down the right side. And now it's reading it. Drive, not F, S. Okay, let's try the other one. The same thing, let's try it in the center. It's reading it. Remove, it disappears. I will push down the left side. Left. It's still reading it, interesting. Before it mentioned that there is no disk in the drive. Now I'm pushing the right side. And it's still reading it. Interesting. Now let's do the same thing once again with the other one. That's a SanDisk and that's a Lexer. They are not perfect, neither of them. Left side was pushed and nothing comes on. Drive S is not there. Close it. Get it out and push down the right side. And yes, it's there. Drive S is there. S. So it's not the same if you push the center of the card or if you push the top part or the bottom part. That is the left side or the right side. So if it's not working from the center, try to push one corner and thus it will enter at an angle or that way and enter that way.